Hey everyone, welcome my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to fix this types of error message, that is method fragment in type Microsoft.EntityFrameworkCore.Design internal C# helper from assembly Microsoft.EntityFrameworkCore.Design version 6.0.20.0 culture neutral public key. This does not have an implementation. So you can see that your design package, you can see in the design package here we have the Microsoft.EntityFrameworkCore.Design package in your startup project. So just click on it and you can see that here we have a Microsoft.EntityFrameworkCore.Design package and the version is 6.0.20. And you notice that here we have an updated version of your this package. So must to update all these packages if you have some updates like that. So here we have a Microsoft Entity Framework Code.Design core.web generation. Just select all and just update it. Yeah, yes, I accepted all those packages to select all packages with the updation. So here we have, so just click on it. First of all, update. Okay, so here we have an update package and just I want to update all the second one. Finished. Okay, so here we have two error like that. The first one is package restore failed, rolling back packages changes for the student because the 7.0 is working now. You can see here we have a 7.0.29 is the version. So here we have a design package is updated right now. Okay, so the design package is updated. You can see that your package manager console again, and you just go out again after this. Okay, so migration is successfully right now because the design package is internal C# is not is getting right this one. Okay, so after that you can just go update the database command. And here we go. So okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and keep watching all other videos which is related to ASP.NET Core.